Here I have Thomson TO13P, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after that Talkback tutorial will start. So you tap allow and it starts talking.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So as you could hear, in this mode, it's made mostly for people with blindness and some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen, and like the text specifically, and it's yeah. So to operate in this mode, you just tap on any action.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
And then it gets spoken out loud. So in order to confirm it, you have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this.
Close tutorial. You can
Close. Double tap.
Talkback. Navigate
So if you want to
button.
disable this mode,
Double tap to activate.
you select switcher,
service.
double tap,
Service.
stop,
Stop.
and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.